Hello, my name is Yasin and I want to show you how you can build powerful AI powered applications on top of a serverless Postgres database using Neon. Have you ever struggled with writing a complex SQL query? What if you could just ask your database a question in plain English and get the answer instantly? That's why I built the AI-powered SQL Helper, a tool that lets you ask database questions in plain English and get instant SQL queries, powered by a Neon Postgres, Hugging Face T5 model, and Streamlit. Now, let's view the user diagram. On the left side, we have the current problem. Developers or analysts think of a business question but then spend a lot of time manually writing SQL queries. It's time consuming, error prone and frustrating, especially for those who aren't SQL experts. This leads to slow insights, reduced productivity and constant switching between code, queries and debugging. So the solution. Now on the right side, we have the solution, the AI powered SQL Helper. How it works is, a developer simply asks a question in natural language. Hugging Face T5 model converts that into an optimized SQL query. The query is executed directly on Neon Postgres, leveraging its serverless scaling and branching features. The Streamlit UI instantly displays a result in a clean, responsive interface. This means no manual SQL writing, no debugging headaches, and faster insights for developers and analysts. This project demonstrates how AI, Neon Postgres, Streamlit, and Hugging Face can simplify database querying and make developers' life easier. Now we will see this project setup. First, we need a database. I am using Neon, a serverless Postgres platform. This is a game changer because I can instantly provision a database without worrying about infrastructure. I have already set up a database here and imported a simple user table. The best part is Neon's connection string is simple and secure. Like on the dashboard, they have provided a connect button on which on clicking the connect button, we get the connection string. This connection string, we have to copy it and add this connection string in our Python script. So I will show you the tables here. I created a simple users table with simple data, ID, name, email and sign up dates. Now let's look at the code, at the Python code in the VS Code. Now let's look at the code. This is a simple Python script. This is a simple Python script. Using Streamlit for the UI. The core of this application is Hugging Face model, a T5 model fine-tuned for text to SQL generation. We load this model to translate our natural language question into a raw SQL query. Like here, we have loaded the model. So first, we have imported the libraries. First, we import the essential Python libraries. Like we have imported RE. RE is used to clean and process SQL queries. We have used pandas to handle the data and display the results, transformers to load our AI model from Hugging Face, SQL Alchemy to connect and run queries on Neon Postgres, Streamlit to create our interactive web app. These are the core tools used in this AI SQL helper. Now here comes the loading part, loading the AI model. We are using a fine-tuned T5 model from Hugging Face and trained on Wiki SQL. This model converts English questions into SQL commands. Then we are using this model because this makes the app faster and more efficient. Now to connect to the database, we are using the connection string. We are in this database URL, we are passing the connection string which we got from the Neon dashboard. Now we connect our app to Neon Postgres database using the create engine function from SQL Alchemy. This is the function, create engine. Neon is great because it's serverless, scalable, and perfect for AI apps. All queries will run directly on Neon's Postgres backend. Now we have defined a function natural to SQL. This function is used for converting natural language to SQL. The core magic happens in the natural to SQL function. You give it a question like show me all users who signed up after 1 January 2023. The AI model converts it into a proper SQL query automatically. No need to write SQL manually. Now the second part, that is the second function, that is the clean SQL. Sometimes AI generated queries need small fixes. That's where clean SQL comes in. This function, it replaces generic table names with actual table names like users. It maps synonyms, like here you can see it maps synonyms like user to name, sign to sign up date. It replaces words like on, at, equals with the proper operator, like here we have added that functionality. Also it fixes date, like it also formats date into the correct format like DD, MM, YY or whatever format you want. So now comes the executing the query. So once we have a cleaned SQL query, the run query function executes it on Neon using SQL Alchemy. We fetch the results and convert them into a pandas data frame. Here we are converting them into a pandas data frame. So Streamlit can display them in a beautiful responsive table. Now let's talk about the front end. Streamlit makes it super easy. We set up the app title and description. Here we have added a text input where user types their questions. A button triggers the entire pipeline. Like here we have added the button run query. A button triggers the entire pipeline, that is the AI converts the text to SQL. SQL gets cleaned, query runs on Neon, results show instantly in a table. If there's an error or no results, Streamlit shows proper warnings automatically, like here we have shown warnings. Now Let's see the demo on the local host, how it works. So the app is running on the local host. So I will ask, show me all the details of users whose sign up date is 2025-09-05. So I will run the query. The app instantly generates SQL, cleans it, runs it, and shows the results in seconds. Here you can see it. We got the query results here in the responsive table. So you might be wondering why to use this app. The answer is automation and execution. This app does everything automatically, understands your question, generates SQL, executes SQL, displays results instantly. This is a complete end-to-end solution, faster, safer, and integrated with Neon Postgres. And that's how we built an AI-powered SQL Helper using Streamlit, Hugging Face, and Neon Postgres. Thank you for watching.